Nandito kami sa Bad Miller All-Season Park Autumn na masyal. Ganda ng autumn color.
She wants to run.
Burn herself out trying to run.
She wants to run.
Hey, quit checking the female. Come on. One more female. Nice try.
That's
Now you're having fun? She's not going anywhere.
Di ba nice plants?
Oh, prickles.
Jump! Jump!
Run, goofball. Stop. Yeah, no trace.
What?
No, she sees the two dogs behind you. The lab and the German shepherd. How you doing? Good, yourself? Not bad. Good.
Molly?
It's not gonna work. Pick you up and throw you. I think no one.
Ang ganda no. Saan ang pagpunta namin dito?
Ito yung paborito ng tayo.
Oh, your mom, I could pick up one arm.
Maganda ito.
Jeff's telling me that Molly's heavy. I said, I picked Mel up. She goes, I can't even pick up Mom. I said, your mom I can pick up with one arm.
Ah, naman the others. Kaya pala, yung pagpunta namin dito, hindi kami dito ano.
Nasa lake lang tayo.
Oo.
You done checking your female?
Tama yan, Molly, pag si Tito Mas mag-ano sa'yo at hindi ka makatakbo.
That's enough strength. You will be tired after.
Oh, me?
No, Molly.
Good. Yeah, 'cause I'm giving you a resistance. And you're not carrying the damn dog, Mel.
No, I was just wanted to carry Molly and I was just, I wasn't running, I was in the same position.
Feed.
Get over here.
She feed.
How you doing? I'm stronger than you. Don't poke yourself. You seen the harness? Seen the harness or the collar?
Oh, we forget the harness. He has
Meron ba?
harness, yeah.
It's okay.
You go right or left? Follow the concrete? Yes, sir.
Ang kulit eh.
Oh, we're at the barn. We're at the barn.
Ang ganda, no?
The red leaves is there.
Hala, ay, ayan. Saan banda? Pwede na siguro, dito na lang ako tumira.
There.
Anay.
There's more there. The one that I took photo for.
Yeah.
Yung pot.
There?
That one.
Ganda.
No
Ganda.
more leaves.
Kasi siguro sobrang hangin. Kaya ako ni Molly. Pag si Mouse pala.
Nasa rin siya kung
Ha?
nasa rin siya kung
Oo, sanay. Kaya. Ito maganda din ang kulay niyan. Light yellow. Ayan. Dito palang maganda maglaro. Molly, come on. Let's.
These are maple leaves.
Molly! Let's go! Ah. Yay! Woo! Yay! Woo! Molly.
I'm pretty sure that's crabapple tree.
Yeah, I did. Let's go, Molly. Let's go.
Yeah, to the hill.
Yeah,
So that the background is
it's nice.
There you go. Your turn. You're gonna do arm stretch for 10 minutes. We'll keep the last advantage. Then you'll slow down. See, I was right. There's something I'm doing to lay down technical. Further back here, through the trees, that's where the BMX track is. That'll burn in the wind in the back too. The roots of the plant in the spring and summer, before it turns yellow, they have to be dug up and used to flower. Yeah, that's fermentation.
Molly, you're curious what they're doing? Come and join them. Join.
Check this out. Touch.
Ooh.
It's hilod.
Huh?
It's panghilod. It's crabbing.
Oh, check it out.
It's nice design. Oh.
No, because when you get it wet, you really see the color
yeah,
and
it's nice
design.
design. So you're
Lackluster.
just
Yeah.
gonna do the skipping pa?
I did.
I'm gonna try to. I'm gonna.
Watch this.
Okay. Okay.
Hold it like this. Like this. Wind up and you just bounce it off the surface of the water. Just going. Then try and skip it.
Salamat sa panonood. Diyan na po ang pagtatapos ng aming pamamasyal sa Bud Miller All-Season Park. Nag-enjoy po kami at napakaganda ng park during autumn season. Thank you so much for watching at saka sa lahat po na hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much and God bless everyone. Bye!